cell errors like number NA or number REF exclamation mark messing up your reports? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to pull data from one sheet to another using VLOOKUP and remove all errors with IFERROR. We'll write a formula like equals IFERROR. VLOOKUP, a 3, selecting the columns, 3, false, 0. Sometimes when working in Excel, we need to pull the exact value from another sheet without showing any errors if the value is missing. Here's how to do it step by step. 1. Go to the cell in your debit column where you want the result. Type the formula starting with asterisk equals IFERROR VLOOKUP select the account you want to search for in the current sheet. Switch to the other sheet and select the entire 3 columns containing your data. Enter 3 as the column index number since the value you want is in the 3rd column. Type false to ensure an exact match. Set the value for errors to 0 so that missing data shows a clean 0 instead of number NA or number REF. The final formula looks like this. IFERROR VLOOKUP account cell other sheet A to C 3 false 0. Now, you'll get the exact value you need. Clean, accurate, and error-free.